In this lesson, we will be solving a two-step equation. So here I have p minus 2/3 p equals 4/5. I'm going to use the distributive property. I see p, this is like with a 1. This is 1p and 2/3 p. So I can use distributive property and call this p times 1 minus 2/3 because this is 1p. All equals 4/5. Okay, so I have p times 1 minus 2/3 equals 4/5. I'm going to do this part first. P times, well, I'm going to change 1 into 3/3 minus 2/3 equals 4/5. Now I have p here. This is 3/3 minus 2/3 is 1/3 p. I'm going to use the commutative property. I can multiply p at the front or at the back, equals 4/5. Now I want to isolate this p, isolate the variable. So I'm going to use the inverse operation, which is multiplying by 3. So the opposite of 1/3 is 3/1. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on that side and multiply by 3 on that side. This cancels out. All that's left over here is p equals, let's see, I can't do any cross canceling. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5. So if we simplify that down, this whole equation simplifies down to p equals 12/5. That's the end of our lesson on solving two-step equations.